Hi everyone. Good morning. Um, I want us to solve this lab together. This is SQL Injection lab, and we're in PortSwigger Academy. So this is the lab. SQL Injection attack, querying the database type, version on Oracle. Now, this the vulnerability we find in this web application will allow us to get the database version. Yeah, they already told us that it's an Oracle database. So we have to solve it now. This is it. They said is remember they said what the fuck is happening here? But they said is the lab contains an SQL vulnerability in the product category filter. So we already know it's in the product category filter, right? And this is a product. You can see this is the category. Mm. The category I choose was gift. So I intercepted it in Burp Suite. This is it. Category gift in Burp Suite. We send and see that it's working. Okay, returns 200. Okay. Now let's test and see. First of all, what we're going to do firstly is steps. I'm coming. Steps. Reproduce. So firstly, let's confirm the endpoint. The endpoint is vulnerable to SQLI. That's the first thing we have to do. So and to do that now, we just need to put a single column here. Okay, and send again. Oh, you see, we get an internal server error, 500 internal server error, and this is a strong indication that this particular endpoint is vulnerable to SQL injection. So let's put it down in our notes. Result got 500 internal server error in work endpoint, this endpoint here. Okay. So this is the confirmation. So number 2 now, we have to check how many columns. Let's confirm how many columns. How many columns is available in the database. So we already know that this is variable. I believe that the payload we are going to use to check this is that I would say order by yes. Order by 1. So let me let's send it 200. Okay, wow. So we know that there is more than one column. There's at least one column there. Let's say order by 200. Okay, okay. We know there are two columns there. Let's say order by 3. You can see 500 of cyber internal. That means we have only two columns. So let's copy our payload. Save it. Results. Results. Okay. Only two columns. Payload. Okay. So we know now that it's contain more than two. It will contain only two columns. Now what we want to do now is we want to confirm. The next step to reproduce now is let's confirm how many of the column contains character. So to confirm that now, I think it will be union union select. First of all, let's use now. Union select now. Null again. Let's see how to encode it. Okay. Let's send it. Over the error. Why? It's supposed to give us something. So let's see why is this? Let's check our cheat sheet and see why this is happening. So this is our cheat sheet. We're in SQL injection now. Oracle database. Okay, but I just know that let's try something else here. Let's use from door. That's about why. Let's write everything. Select no. they have, this is a default table in Oracle. Don't worry, don't forget to URL encode it, Control U to URL encode it, and send it. Rest of an error. No, okay. Uh, 200, okay, you see? So this 200, okay, means we have two columns. We have two columns in this dot table. And let's check the one that is with character 10. Let's check 200, okay. That means one contains artist information. Let's try this one. Okay, 200, okay, that means the three contains information. Let's see if there's another if there is another column. 579. So what we have done so far is correct, right? Thank you. Now, what we have to do after confirming this now, let's go back to our note. That our result. Result. The two columns contain information. So, which payload do we use? Keeping note is a very good idea because in penetration testing, you need to keep notes. Copy. Now, come here. This is the payload we use, right? Then the fourth one. Now, what do you want to do now? Let's trick the database to display the version. Now, since we already know it's an Oracle database, let's just go back to our cheat sheet again. Let's go back to our cheat sheet again. Let's come back here. Let's see payload for displaying an Oracle version. Okay, this is one payload. We'll take this payload. So copy. Let's go back to our Burp and let's clear all this. Let's come back. Union. No. Union. Okay. Don't forget to URL encode. And let's forward it and see. Forward suffer internal error. You see? Now we get the version we are looking for. Now we get the version we are looking for. This is supposed to have solved the lab for us. Okay, if we do not solve the lab, let's see if we can apply. Okay, or let's go back there. This is our output. Let's see if we can see response in browser. Yes, okay. Let's do that. Okay. Okay, I think it didn't work yet. Let's see why. I think it didn't work. You know, so okay, there's a typo error here. Let's send again. 500 server internal error. Why? Why? Let's come back and be sure that we are using the correct payload. Okay. 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 This is what I used, right? We fashion. Let's take this payload. Okay. We fashion, right? Do we see this in our sheet? Here is what I used now. This one. Let me put what I used. So, wondered, okay. Okay, our payload was not correct before. Let's see if we're able to get those information. Oh, you can see we got the version core 11. Let's see other informations. You see, these are the versions. Yes. Let's see if we've solved it. If we've solved the lab. You see, we've solved the lab. Yes, so that is it for it. For this lab, SQL injection, querying the database type and version. So you see the payload we use in querying the database version. Thank you.